Blackened salmon and grits with a creamy Cajun sauce. Let's talk about it. First, we're going to start off by getting our water. This is about a cup and a half to 2 cups of water. Add a little bit of salt. Bring that up to boil. Then we add our grits in. Measurements will be down below in the description of the video. As soon as that water starts to boil, you whisk that around a little bit. Then we're going to turn the fire down, put some butter in, cover the top, and let that simmer for a while. We're going to get our cheese chopped. This is white cheddar and Kobe Jack cheese. That's what I like using. That's what I prefer. You can use whatever cheese you like, but make sure to keep in mind that you want to get these grits not too creamy because we're adding the cream sauce right on top of it. So I like to make my grits a little bit thick so it can absorb that cream sauce and you get a better finished product. Look at me going to work on them Jones. But after that, give it a taste. It's up to my liking, so I keep going. We got the salmon, pat that dry. We're gonna add some seasoning. We're gonna go on a little onion powder, a little slap your mama seasoning, and some salt. We're gonna get our pan hot, put a little oil in there. We go salmon face down. Now you don't want to add too much seasoning on this because everything has seasoning in it. And you want it to come together nicely. Look at that nice blackened skin on top. Nice color. Now this is my trick. I cover the top of the salmon while it's face up, so the steam will help it to cook fully. It's a nice little trick for y'all, man. So you ain't have to pop it in the oven to cook fully. Cook fully like that. Now when that's done, do not get rid of that oil at the bottom of the pan. We're going to transfer that because that's where all the flavor is. We're going to throw in our spinach here. We're going to throw in a little roasted red peppers in this as well. That sauteed down. And that's finished. We're going to start on our cream sauce. This is heavy cream. We're going to bring that up to a boil. Then we're going to turn this fire down. We'll go in a little bit of salt, a little bit of chicken bouillon, a little bit of onion powder, and a little bit of slap your mama Cajun seasoning. Go in our Parmesan cheese right here. We'll get that a stir, a little bit more butter, get that a stir. Let that reduce down a little bit. We can start plating. Get our grits in first. We're going to top that with our spinach and roasted red peppers. You can use roasted red peppers or, cherry tomatoes, whatever you choose. We're going to top that with our salmon. That look nice right there. We're going to go on right on top with our cream sauce. Nice little action shot right there. Get it? Look at that. Yeah, though. A little bit of seasoning on top just to complete the visuals real quick. There you have it. It's your boy Chef Taiwo, and this is Olu's Cuisine Experience.